Lindsay Clancy's murder trial is now underway, more than 3.5 years after she killed her 3 children. Jurors will decide whether it was an act of premeditated murder or the result of a psychotic break. And the trial is off to an emotional start. Thanks for being with us. I'm Lisa Hughes.
And I'm David Wade. The first witness was Clancy's ex-husband and the father of those children. As WBZ's Kristina reports, Patrick Clancy described how Lindsay struggled leading up to January 2023.
No, she was having one of her best days.
One of her best days.
That's Patrick Clancy, the ex-husband of Lindsay Clancy and the father of victims 5-year-old Cora, 3-year-old Dawson, and 8-month-old Callan Clancy, who prosecutors claim Lindsay murdered in a deliberate and premeditated attack in January 2023. Just talking about his children, Patrick Clancy fought to stay composed.
Cora was into princesses. And she had a lot of friends. He was into firefighters and trucks. He was just a happy baby.
Patrick detailed Lindsay's mental health struggles from September 2022 until January 2023, telling the jury she saw multiple psychiatrists, was prescribed antidepressants, went to a perinatal clinic, visited the ER for suicidal thoughts, went to a women's program in Rhode Island, and finally did an inpatient stay at McLean. She was discharged 19 days before killing her kids.
She seemed to be doing a lot better.
In what ways did she seem to be doing better?
Her mood seemed better. She was more active.
Prosecutors say Lindsay Clancy was not taking all of the pills she was prescribed, and they claim she controlled not only her kids' lives and schedules, but her medical care too.
Somebody extremely controlling, meticulous, and manipulative. The defendant made a calculated decision. This was a woman who no longer liked the life she thought she wanted.
But the defense painted an entirely different story in its opening, calling the district attorney out for bringing this case to trial.
To show some ridiculous concept that she wanted to kill her beautiful kids because she didn't want to be a mother anymore. These children were loved and nurtured and cared for by her. She didn't want to get rid of her kids because of her selfish life, as the government indicates. She loved those children right up to the time of their death.
And there will be no testimony in this case, no court on Tuesday, just because of an unrelated scheduling issue. Court picks back up on Wednesday morning, and Patrick will be back on the stand. In Plymouth, Kristina Rex, WBZ News.
Thank you, Kristina. And when the trial resumes, you will be able to see Patrick Clancy's testimony live on our streaming service on CBS News Boston. You can find that on the CBS News app, on Pluto TV, or on WBZ.com. And we are streaming the full trial on our YouTube page.